Let's see. Let's see, you want more bubbles? There. Very good, Cruz.
No, not in your mouth. That's dirty.
Yeah, that's dirt. It's yucky. Everything goes in the mouth.
I know, that's cool. Yeah.
Yucky. Strong immune system.
Where are the bubbles? Where are the bubbles?
Look at where the bubbles. Cruzy, you want to blow? You know how to blow bubbles, right? Blow, blow, blow. Look at the front, Cruz. There. Very good. Papa. Are you saying papa or poo-poo?
Is he saying a few words now?
Oh yeah. Cruz, say banana. Say banana. Nana. Say
That's a hard one.
say cake. Cock. Say bubble. Bubble. See. Say what else? You know, mama. What? That's a new one. Kaka. Oh, kaka. That means poo poo.
He did. He did.
Cruz, say dada.
I want to cut the stuff around your ear.
Yeah.
To stay still.
Cruzy. Hang on. Stay still.